welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a jar craft using Elsa Decoupage. We have two sides and we got this from Itsy Bitsy. Let's begin. We will do painting on this jar. I have white color and then I have this teal color that is matching with these Elsa Decoupages. First we'll do painting so that we can stick the Elsa Decoupage. Dip, 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 dip. Painting is done now. After it dries, we are going to put Elsa Decoupage. Paint is done now. We are going to put the decoupage. We are going to use this Elsa. We are going to cut these two and then use this Elsa. We are going to use Deco Magic to stick this Elsa onto this jar. Now we have to wait for one day the decoupage glue for drying completely. Tomorrow we are going to continue the video. So bye bye. It's the next day and our jar is dried off. Look at our beautiful Elsa. Now we can decorate it by writing Elsa with these stickers and one star over here. If you want, you can do more such decorations.